Guys, today we're going to make tea, okay? And this is a chapati, okay?
Chapati ni tapili.
Yeah, tapili. Sorry. This and is a tank, and we're going to add 1 glass of water. Come on. Then we make the water hot. Now we have to wait and until it all gets hot. Then you'll add chai patti. So guys, this is water is getting hot. Let's put on chai patti. Cool. So I'm putting on 2 spoons. Okay, let's put it quick before it gets too hot. One more spoon. Alright, now I made it. Okay. So guys, now I'm adding other, and when this will get hot, then we'll add it. Okay. This is so hard to beat this thing. So this is adrak, and looking so cool now because this is a dirty chai. Yeah. Okay. Looks like this is getting hot. Let's see if it's getting hot. Alright. But Daddy, can you help me get some milk? Chai patti pura boil ho gaya. Now let me put the milk carefully. Uh-oh. I'm so scared. Oh my god. I did a mistake, so see, I put in too much milk. But it's two cups of tea. So that's it. But you don't worry. We can boil a little bit, so it'll be good. It's not the time to put adrak. So I'm going to tell you. It's all done, but it was so hot when I put it in my hand. But I did not give up. That's why I just put it in my hand. Now let's move on to the next level. Okay. Just making it good so it just tastes looking good.
क्या होता है इससे करने से?
Nothing. It just makes it all boil and stuff like that. And it makes it covered up so it tastes good. So guys, I'm putting on a lychee now. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And super careful to not put these things inside, otherwise it will get all hot and it will be so hard to get it out because it's so much tea in there. How will we find it? But good thing, it floats. Those things, so a couple of things floats. But things which are heavy, they sink. But the thing, this is not heavy. This will just float in the sky. Okay?
इलायची डालने से क्या होता है Aizel?
A lychee डालने से, it gets all flat and good.
Taste?
Yeah, it tastes kind of like good, a lychee, but good thing, we cannot add more. No, we all a lychee. No tea, just a lychee. And it will taste bad. Alrighty, so guys, as you can see that my father is moving it a little bit to make it good. Okay, so now I'm putting sugar to make it even tasty. We'll put 3 spoons in. Okay, this 3 spoons are done. Now you can see that I'm mixing it. Let's mix it together. Careful, we'll do it carefully. Because sometimes cheating comes and it comes in our face and it's super hot. So guys, tea is ready. Okay, looks like it's getting ready. Alright. So guys, as you can see that tea is ready. Okay, now you enjoy. Let's have a cheers. Okay, bye.